What's on the back of my dress? Ah, jelly beans. What is this? It's like the color disintegrated.
Like ink.
No, it's not ink because it's see-through. Aw, man.
Maybe off of the washer.
You know what this means, right? It means shopping. Shopping.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Okay, so back with another Webtoon Artist Rambles. Today we're going to talk about publishing books on Amazon and whatever else the questions I have on my YouTube video. Let me show you. We'll jump right into it because I don't want to ramble too much, but let me show you. Okay, so I got this question by Nico. Hi, Nico. And also Sammy. So Nico had asked about how I use Amazon, and Sammy asked, have I tried using Barnes & Noble's Press? So let me show you how I use Amazon, and also let me show you how I use Barnes & Noble's Press to get my Webtoon comic onto those platforms to sell paperback books. Here's Amazon KDP right there. Amazon KDP. All I do is I go to their website and I hit that create button, and I'm able to upload a PDF of all of my comic book pages, and I upload it and it turns it into a book. It's super simple, just like uploading comics and pictures on Instagram or whatnot. You just take your PDF of all of your comic pages and upload it on here, and there you go. I can do another video showing my formatting process, but it's literally here. Let me show you. So here's my comic school memories. I have this on Tapas's platform, but here's my comic school memories. And with Clip Studio Paint, thankfully what they have now is they have this exporter to where I can export all the pages as a PDF, which is what I need to upload my book onto Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP accepts PDF formats. Take all of my comic pages as a PDF, put it on Amazon KDP. Now there's more to this, but I'd have to literally make multiple videos. I'm thinking about doing possibly a workshop to help guide you guys through step by step if you guys want my guidance. Or if you guys, there's tons of YouTube videos also. You guys don't have to join a workshop. But if you want me to direct you through it, I can definitely put something together. But anywho, that's what I do. That's how I use Amazon KDP. I take all of my comic pages, turn it into a PDF, and then upload that PDF. And then let me just show you. Where is it? That's my mom's book right there. But here's School Memories live on Amazon. I also have it in the Kindle ebook format. I can't remember how I did that. I have to look back up and see what the process was for that. But I published so many books that the process for the paperback book is kind of ingrained in my brain. So yeah, that's how I use Amazon. Let me show you how I use Barnes & Noble's Press. So with Barnes & Noble's Press, I've been having this issue to where it tells me to submit a W-9. I go to my account and I submit that W-9, and it still gives me this error. So I have not used Barnes & Press because I have not been able to get past this error, and I don't want to end up getting my whole account set up with Barnes & Noble's Press to then not get any of the sales because there's a glitch that I'm dealing with. So that's as far as I went with Barnes & Noble's Press. Now, you may be wondering, well, Shireen, I see your book on Barnes & Noble's website, though. How did you get it on there if you're not using Barnes & Noble's Press? I will let you know. I'm using IngramSpark. I use both Amazon KDP and IngramSpark. Let me show you what I do. Here's IngramSpark. These are the books that I helped my mom publish, our family reunion and her books for her church thing. But so ignore these three. These are I was helping my mom. But anyways, so this is my book, School Memories, and I have this on IngramSpark. Same process with Amazon KDP. Took the PDF, added the file on here, boop, got my book. You fill out the account and all that. But that's literally what I do. And with IngramSpark, my book is now, it shows up for public libraries, book distribution. So it shows I can now, like, public libraries can take the ISBN number and order books for their institution. And then, is that the right word? The books can be ordered from public libraries. Barnes is now on Barnes and Nobles, and everything else like Target, Walmart. It can be like it's now available for it to show up and to be ordered and to appear in stores. Can go onto Barnes & Noble's website to order it. People can go on Amazon to order it, and Target, Walmart, whatever, wherever else those companies pull their book distribution from, it can be ordered. I don't want to overwhelm you with too much, so I'll just keep it simple like that. But there's more to it, but I don't want to overwhelm, so just, it's there. And it got there because I took the PDF and I uploaded it onto IngramSpark. Now, Amazon KDP has their whole distribution thing, but I noticed that some of the people who, let me just talk. So Amazon KDP does have their own distribution to where, like, worldwide distribution, but I noticed that some of my audience is like, hey, I don't want to use Amazon. Do you have something else? So that's why I use IngramSpark, because some of them don't like to use Amazon, so I give them another option. Here, you can order from Barnes & Noble's Press. You can order books from your library, and they will utilize IngramSpark if you don't want to utilize Amazon. But IngramSpark does put stuff also on Amazon, so you'll end up seeing like 2 different copies of School Memories on Amazon with 2 different ISBN numbers, which leads me to my next question that someone had asked me. Let me show you. Right here, Halo asks, did you have to buy an ISBN number for your book? There are lots of levels to this, okay? So I'm just going to answer that one question. Did I have to? Did I have to? If I don't want to hold inventory, and if I want my books to appear in the worldwide book distribution computer thingamabob, whatever that is, I'm keeping it very basic because I will get confused. If I don't want it to appear in that, and I just want to print it like as if I'm going to Staples, and I'm having the paper, all the pages printed in like a paper format, I don't need an ISBN for that. But if I want my book in the big computer system so that a librarian over in Philadelphia can find my book, order it, and get it in their library, or bookstore, I'm gonna need an ISBN number for that. Also, with Amazon KDP and IngramSpark, they handle all the inventory for me. I don't want to handle any inventory. So that's also another reason why I like to use I buy my own ISBN number so that they can print, ship, and deliver it. I don't have to worry about any inventory. I'm sure there are other people who do buy at the ISBN number and they also handle the inventory, but I don't go down that route. I go down I bought my ISBN number, Amazon IngramSpark, you guys handle the rest. I don't want no inventory. I don't want to do any of that. I cry easy dealing with customer service, so I let them do that. So I bought my ISBN number because I want it in the big computer systems so that other companies, other places who use that same book distribution computer system can get my book and put it on there without me having to sell to them and be like, hey, it's just there now. It's there now. So it's my book's ID number. It's my books. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully that answers that question. You might be wondering, well, what's the difference between the free and the paid one? I'll cover that in another video, so make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed. Okay, but yeah, hopefully that answered the question. Also, for next YouTube video, I'm going to answer my lovely birdies question. They asked, would you recommend Gumroad, or is that more of a digital art tool? I've seen how to draw ebooks on there, but not actual novels. So that's going to be the next question that I'm going to answer in my next YouTube video. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys can hear the chaos that I have to share. But the simple answer to that is, yeah, you could totally use Gumroad to sell ebooks. I do that. I sell before I got onto IngramSpark, I sold my PDF ebook for School Memories on Gumroad. So short answer to this, yes, you definitely can. But I can share more in the next video. But yeah, hopefully that helped.